Hi, Luke. My name is Brooke with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. I spoke on the phone with you earlier. I know you're busy and I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going ahead and making this video. I have a lot of good information that can help you grow your business. You have a lot going on, but it looks like the main thing that you are focusing on is land clearing, and the largest city near you is Topeka. So we're going to look at some competitors in your land clearing area in Topeka, Kansas. Um, so I'm going to tell you three things today that can help you grow your business and start getting more customers to your website as a revenue for generating new customers. These three things will optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform to convert more customers and it will get more traffic to your website. I was not able to find a website, so we're just going to peek at your Facebook page. There's not much information here when it comes to looking at how many people are actually visiting your page. One of your Facebook ads came across my Facebook feed, and that's how I found you. And I figured you are already doing such a great job. It won't hurt to have a little bit of more information from a marketing consultant to see other ways that you can try and grow your business. So the three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So on your website, content is everything that you see on the page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. The more content you have, the better. Google prefers that you have 1,500 words on your page, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout your web page. 24/7, Google has these web crawling bots, and they crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and they use that information to determine where they want to place you on the Google search page. 90% of the time, when people need a service, they will Google search it. So, we're going to look at land clearing in Topeka, Kansas. The first thing that usually pops up are the Google guaranteed ads with the green check mark. Those are really great. If you can get a Google guaranteed ad, then I would absolutely try and do that. The auditing process is a bit higher, but the benefits are they're they're just great. If you can do it, then do it. Then there are the regular Google ads. There is the Google business pages, and then the organic listings. 30% of your business should come from your GDP or Google business page, and the remaining 70% should be coming from your website. So the next thing we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. Google uses how many citations you have and the quality of the citations to determine where you are ranked in the Google business page. All right, the more citations you have, the better. You don't want to just stop at how many Thompson Land Clearing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or maybe even 100 citations. I think 50 would be good enough. Um, A service like yours is not very common, but it's obviously needed. Seeing the responses from your Facebook ads that came across my feed. So we're gonna look at the top three competitors in your area for land clearing. So this next thing we're gonna talk about are backlinks. A backlink is a popularity contest on Google. So it's other websites referencing your website, telling customers to come to you for the services that you provide. Not all backlinks are created equal and they must be relevant to your profession. So you're not going to go to your local cupcake shop and ask their website for reference to your website because it will be irrelevant and it will not give you much power. All right. I have a web crawling tool called Ahrefs. It tells us what's going on under the hood of these websites. So here for Tallgrass Land Management, they don't have a high power rating. They have a lower trust rating. They only have 16 backlinks, 81 keywords, and they're only getting 6 people on their website each month. The level of traffic that you get on your website is fairly low because there's not too many people who are looking for the service, but it's already needed. I already looked at their keywords and they're having kind of vague stuff going on. They don't have targeted keywords that are going to bring them more people to their website. Then we have Forestry Mulching Pros. This is a nationwide company. Towards the bottom of their website, they have the states that they serve listed. They have a good amount of information on their web page They have a high power, high trust rating. They have tons of backlinks and 81 people on their website each month. Now, these are new customers, not returning customers. And then we have Elevation Works. I believe you're familiar with them. So they have a lot of good stuff on their website, but they're not using backlinks. They only have one keyword. So your website is a great way to represent your company and show people the services that you provide, but it shouldn't just be a representation of your company or a digital business card. A website, if properly used, is a great way to generate new customers and help you find um, new ways to grow your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you want to hear more about how I can help grow your business, we can get on a short phone call and I can see if trying to build a website and doing SEO or getting those backlinks will benefit and help grow your business, then I will be more than happy to. Thank you, Luke, and have a great day.